In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Futures Ladder in Robinhood's browser platform. If you've ever been curious about trading futures or using advanced tools to make quicker, more precise trading decisions, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know about accessing and utilizing the ladder feature on Robinhood. First things first, to begin using the ladder, you'll want to log in to your Robinhood account through your web browser. Make sure you're securely signed in and that your account is ready for trading. Once you're inside your account, look out for the Robinhood Legend section on your dashboard. This usually appears on the main navigation menu, and it's a centralized place for accessing different features within Robinhood. From there, direct your attention to the search box. Here, you'll want to enter the symbol of a futures contract you're interested in trading. Good examples include contracts like /MES, /MNQ, or /M2K. These represent different futures on broad market indices. Simply type in the symbol and, once it pops up, click on it to load all the contract details. Once you've selected your futures contract, you'll notice different tabs and tools displayed on your screen. Find and click on the ladder, which is typically located next to or just below the chart tab. The ladder is an advanced view for traders who want to see price movements and place orders very quickly, all from a single vertical display. On your screen, you'll now see prices stacked one above another, forming a column. The higher prices will always be at the top of the ladder, while lower prices are situated closer to the bottom. This vertical format is designed to give you instant clarity about where the market is moving. Next, it's important to understand how to interact with the ladder. The left side of the ladder represents buying actions, while the right side is for selling. If you're looking to buy at a specific price, simply click that price level on the buy side of the ladder. This will instantly queue up a buy limit order at the exact price you selected. On the other hand, if you want to sell a contract at a specific price, just click the price level on the sell side. A sell limit order will be placed at that chosen price. As soon as your orders are active, they'll appear directly on the ladder itself. This real-time display allows you to monitor and modify your orders as the market moves, all in one place. One of the most powerful aspects of Robinhood's ladder is its ability to update in real time. As the prices of the futures contracts change, you'll see the ladder adjusting instantly. This immediate feedback is incredibly helpful for making swift trading decisions, especially if you're watching market momentum or looking to enter and exit positions quickly. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently navigate the Robinhood Futures Ladder, place limit orders with precision, and take advantage of real-time price movements. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel more confident using this powerful trading tool.